Hi, it's Sue Levy from Savory Living, and in today's quick video, we're going to assemble snacks that you love that power you up to have energy through your whole day. What you want to think about is the right proportions. So anytime you eat, take a plate, mentally draw the peace sign on it, and fill 2 parts with either vegetable or fruit and 1 part protein. That's eating and assembling 2 to 1. So for snacks, we get ourselves some good containers and we're going to assemble 2 to 1. So when we talk about vegetables, it can be anything that you like. And what I love is you can find these guys already washed and ready to go at the market, so it doesn't have to take a lot of time. And then for fruits, most people know those. I'm going to be assembling some great combinations from there. Protein is where people maybe don't know as much about, so I'm going to talk to you about the protein sources. It can be dairy, so things like cheeses. It can be bean-based proteins like hummuses or any kind of bean dip. There's this awesome chocolate-flavored hummus that my family loves. There's a lemon beet hummus, which is pretty killer. And then today I'm going to use this buffalo ranch hummus, which is awesome with some baby carrots. The other types of protein, plant-based wise, are things like nuts and seeds. So there's almonds, pistachios, walnuts, all sorts of nut butters. We're a peanut-free household, so I'm going to be assembling with almond butter today. Or animal proteins, whether it's a hard-boiled egg, a cooked chicken that you get from the market that you dice in, you name it, we're going to eat and assemble snacks that are 2 to 1. So let's get started with our vegetables. The first one I'm going to do is some celery. And so that's the 2 part of what I'm filling. And I'm going to pair it with a protein. So I put it into my container to assemble into. And what I'm going to do is put some almond butter in. You can see it's super easy. Just get it into there, and it's delicious, fast, and there's something awesome about the crispy, crunchy celery that's a little bit salty with the sweet almond butter that's creamy and smooth. My daughter loves this one. And there you go. I'm done with Power Boost 1. Next one, I'm gonna do my baby carrots in a container. And I'm filling in a lot of those. And then I'm gonna do my buffalo ranch hummus. So it's almost like eating hot wings, but a little bit different. So you can see 2 renegade carrot to 1. Oh, that's good. Next one I'm gonna do are hummus boats. Super easy and fast. My son loves these. I've got my washed red pepper, taking the seeds out. Create my little boats, putting it into my containers. And I got my hummus. And you can find all sorts of really great store-bought hummuses. Find the ones you like. My daughter really likes Trader Joe's. My other daughter likes the Cedars brand. I like all of them with a lot of lemon on it. And here you go, peppers and hummus. The next thing I'm gonna do is start with an animal protein. So I've got some hard-boiled eggs here. Cut it in half. Put it in on this side, and then I'm gonna pair it with some cucumber because I'm thinking about egg salad. So I take my cucumber, slice it, toss it into my container, and I'm gonna give it just a touch of salt to help the cucumber come to life, and even give it just a little bit of fresh lemon juice, which helps the flavors pop. And there's another Power Boost. So let's do a fruit one next. I'm a big fan of apples, an apple a day, good source of soluble fiber. And what you might want to get yourself is one of these apple slicers. Makes it super easy. My apple's ready to go. Grab the sticker off of that one. And what you want to do to get an apple to stay nice and golden in color and yellow and not turn brown is you got to hit it with a little bit of fresh lemon juice. Cutting this into slices. And the sweet apple is pretty killer with either some nuts. It also goes really great with this lemon beet hummus, and I'll show you the color, which I love. So I'm gonna go ahead and do one of these. So we got one more snack to go. Maybe we'll do some orange smileys. So I'm slicing my orange. But the trick is to really pick things that you and your family love. So it's gotta be something that you like and you wanna eat. And you're just assembling it into your containers and filling 2 parts with the vegetable or fruit and 1 part with the protein. So here I'm gonna put some pistachios in. And there you go. So I got my snacks done in minutes. You can do all of this from things you can buy really quickly at the market, but it can also be leftover foods from dinner the night before, whether it's cooked vegetables, leftover chili. Just think of it as a smaller size portion and assemble and eat 2 to 1. So until I see you next, live well, eat well, be well.